In Rainbird's continuous pursuit of quality, we test and analyze product returned to us under warranty. We need to understand the problems that customers are dealing with in order to make our products even better and to help our customers be more successful. As we evaluate returned valves, it amazes us how many whole valves are cut out of the ground simply because they have debris trapped under the diaphragm. This video aims to give you a better tool in correcting a leaky valve. Here we have two rocks with some orange paint on them to make them visible. We insert them down this vertical pipe section to introduce them to our valve. We have a green light on top of the valve which indicates when the solenoid is electrically activated. The first time the valve opens, one of the rocks gets stuck under the diaphragm. In this setup, we have a constant 50 psi inlet pressure. Flow through the valve is 25 GPM and is set by a downstream ball valve. The top of the valve body seat has a red paint stripe on it for visual reference. Notice how high the diaphragm is lifting at 25 GPM. Not very far. We open the valve 5 times electrically, but the rock stays in place. The job of the solenoid is to dump pressure off of the top of the diaphragm so it can lift. However, in a closed system, the pressure above the diaphragm can only drop as low as the downstream pressure. For 25 GPM flow, this valve has a pressure loss of 5 to 6 psi. Therefore, with 50 psi inlet pressure, the solenoid can only get the pressure above the diaphragm down to about 45 psi. Now we're going to use the bleed screw to dump the bonnet pressure to atmosphere. This causes the diaphragm to lift fully open. Watch the rock. It's gone. Look how high the diaphragm lifts. The power of the bleed screw. We are making this part of an educational push to help installers and maintenance teams be more profitable. Rainbird solenoids have a quarter-turn internal manual bleed feature to open the valve manually. Turning the solenoid further will get it to leak externally. This is called the flush mode, and it will also cause the diaphragm to lift fully. The solenoid can do many things, and people are sometimes confused by this. The emphasis of this educational clip is to get you to remember that the best way to flush a valve is by using the bleed screw. The power of the bleed screw. For more information about Rainbird valves, visit our website at www.rainbird.com. While there, explore the rest of the website. There's always more to learn about the intelligent use of water.